Hello, welcome back to the channel. Company emailed me the other week. They said we'd like to review one of these products. It's a little bit late, it's the end of the season in the UK. If you're in another country you might be interested, but it's also get one now either cheaper and then you'll have it for next year. If you've got an Intex pool, one is above ground pools or below ground pool, Intex, Bestway, whatever makes they do. And they sent me this to have a little look at. I've not paid for it, they'll ask me to promote it for them. I'm having a little look at it. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you'll know that I'm into holidays, pools, my pub shed, garden bar and stuff like that. Now I did recognise the name, hence I took the product on. Inkbird, quite renowned for their heated temperature control units. I've got one in my garden bar, pub shed in the corner of my garden. It monitors my beer. You can get a temperature control that monitors your fridge temperature and stuff like that if you're into your home brew or you've got kegs of beer, stuff like that, or beer in a bag. Other videos I'll link below. If you look at my channel you'll see them anyway, but this one is for a pool, so straight off the cuff, Inkbird, they're a renowned, well-known brand, so you know you're getting quality. Now this is an Inkbird true solar power rechargeable. It's basically a wireless, if you can see the box there, it's a wireless pool monitor with ambient light. Now it's a shame I never got this at the beginning of the summer, because I would have made use of it. I'm probably not going to make too much use of it at the moment. I'm just going to test it and have a little go, and I'll have it for next year then. So it's got the strongest wireless signal, accurate detection and intelligent light channel. It looks like it's got, when it says ambient light, it's got a light at the top, a light below that lights up all your water. Don't think I'll be testing that at night. I'll be packing my pool waste, to be fair. What I like about it is there's no app. A lot of stuff nowadays you get these apps, app for this, app for that, app for that, app for this. This has got its own little controller, which is very, very handy. Which I'm pleased about actually, because I didn't want to put another app on my phone for a product that I'm not going to use to next year, but we'll see what the weather's like. But if you're in a warmer climate, or also I think you can use these for your hot tub. So if you're hot tub user in the UK, this could be ideal for you, for all you hot tub users out there. So let's have a little quick look. I've already unboxed it briefly. I must admit I was quite impressed. So when you unbox it, you get your instruction leaflet. I'm not even going to look at instructions because I'm going to do a brief look. There's a unit. It's solar powered, so you got a little solar panel on the top there. It's only got on the moment 1 bar. You got temperature on top there, and you got 1 bar. Now what I'll do, I'll take the packing off there. You got a little plastic seal on there. You got a little bit of rope or string, so if you want to tie it up, you got a little loop there. But obviously my pool's not that huge. And you got batteries there. The batteries are for, as I said, let's get this out of the way. The batteries are for your remote, which is there. Now I'm going to unpack it, so you take that off there. Hopefully you can see this. That looks nice. And then you got this here, got a little temperature probe. Looks at the bottom there, you can see that. So you take the plastic off the top there, and on top there, so you got as I say, you got 1 bar battery at the moment, because this is rechargeable from the sun. Got a little bit of sun today, so I'll leave that out for a little while. If you toggle through there, you got Fahrenheit and centigrade. So on the left button there, I'm not going to do a full rundown on it. A little switch there, what's that for? Maybe I should read instructions after all. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the batteries, which come supplied into this unit. I'll get back to you. 2 AAA batteries supplied. Quite simply, the batteries go in the back there. 1, 2. They're quite large batteries, but there's no screw to hold this down, so be careful, don't let children get near it. That's pretty good actually, looks good straight off the cuff. I can tell. I'm not sure if you can see this properly or not. You've got maximum, minimum, Fahrenheit. For your lights, you've got mode, stay on, gradient, flash, breathing. Hopefully you can see that in this light. It's timer, auto 60-minute 120. You've got different colours as well. So is that connected to that? Maybe I should read instructions. This is where, so you press and hold the button there, the power button. That's that. This wireless icon, it flashes once when transferring data. Press and hold for 5 seconds to turn it off, standard stuff. Right, we want the controller. How do we pull them onto its battery level? So this is the indoor monitor, which is cool. So you can monitor your pool from inside your house. I need to come up cold, man. It's pretty cool. It's got like the cold green and red at the bottom there. I just need to bind that. Oh, hello. Did that light come on? Oh, we see it. I think, is that coming on or not? Off, on, that's on. Ah, yes, so the lights, it must be, I think, that is switched on. Red, that should be, it's down at green. Is that going to go green? I'll have to press enter. Blue. I'll have to read instructions. I hate reading instructions. Ah, right. So it wasn't on the correct channel, so I'll just press the CHR button. It should. You should see the colour change there now. Blue. Right, I'm only having a quick play. It's on a timer. I've not read the full instructions. I just wanted to have a quick play before I put the pool down. So let's take it over to the pool and check the temperature. Pretty good. I like it. And I've lights underneath. I might come back out later tonight and have a little look. So if you look now, you can see the controller there. You got the temperature coming up there of the pool. Let's just float that back over there. So that's connected together. And then change the colour. It should change to red. That's it. So as bright as you can. Green. Yellow. Let's turn it on. What have I done? I think it's channel 1 I want. Oh, I see the power button's there in the middle. Keep getting it right. I hit the power button by accident, so there you go. You can see that changing colour. The weird grey colour. Is that grey? And if you can see, I'm not sure you can see on the screen there. You've got a timer mode here. Stay on gradient flash. The temperature of my water is 23.6. Is that good? And it's reading on there, look. And you've got the solar panel on top. The top will charge it up. That's not a bad bit of kit. I'll be using that next summer. Nice, I like it. Thank you for watching. That's the wireless pool monitor by Inkbird and with ambient lighting. And as I say, you've got different remote controls, so you can light it from inside your room or when you're sitting outside the pool. Go up your pool. So because it's lit at the top, it'll glow at the top. It'll light all your pool up at night around the bottom there. So it's really nice. I might do that later on today. So and that's connected via this control panel, so you don't need an app. It's got a little screw hole at the back there, so you can put it up against your shed or your gazebo or shelter or whatever you've got, your changing facility. Connects it really easily. 2 batteries that come with it, and you've got a little cord to tie that if you don't want it floating off. Ideal for your hot tub as well, I think, and that'll look lovely at night. All lit up and glowing, and it'll give you the temperature before you step in it. You know exactly what temperature you got before you step in the water. Have a look at the links below. I'll see if I can get you a discount code, and I'm sure the price will drop slightly in a couple of months and then rise back up in the summer. So you want to have a little look, try and get one now, maybe for next season. But obviously if you've got a hot tub, grab it while you can. Brilliant bit of kit. Solidly made, Inkbird, good company, been going for years. Do loads of bits and pieces, temperature control units, so you're getting a quality bit of kit there for a reasonable price. Thank you, bye bye.